Thanks for watching another training video. This video is going to be a general overview of how to do the web builder. So this one will not dive into different dynamics you can use on individual page creation. This will be a general overview on how to choose your template, on how to change your front image, and how to deal with your featured and sold listings as well. So if I'm here in my MyAlliance system, so I'm here in the MyAlliance system. I'm loaded on the home page. I'm under my Basics tab. Down here in the bottom right is Web Builder. You can also find Web Builder under Marketing and then Web Builder. So we're going to click on Marketing, then Web Builder. Once we do that, our site opens. The way that you can tell you are logged into the Web Builder while you're looking at your site is going to be this nice little gray bar up here between your browser window and between the header of the actual website. So it says Hi Tracy for our Tracy Agent demo account. I click on Hi Tracy, I get some widgets there, and over here on the right hand side I click on the settings and I get other widgets for page attributes here. All right, so let's go through these one at a time. On the left hand side, the first thing is you might want to change your actual template look and feel of the website. So for this, we scroll down to Website Settings. Once you click Website Settings, you can either enter your Google Analytics tracking code or Google Tag Manager. Most of you will not have your own analytics tracking code, but if you do want to sign up for Google Analytics, they will give you a code that starts with a UAT. It's probably 10 digits or so. Typically has a dash towards the end. That's the code that you put in here. We don't want both of these filled, just one or the other. This button right here, Change Layout, is the button that I want to show you though. So we click on Change Layout and we can scroll between the different templates we have in the system. So right now I'm on template number 2. If I wanted to move to template 3, which takes the search bar, moves it towards the top of the screen and gives me a little different look and feel, or change back to template 1, which is a definite kind of more feel like the actual homepage itself of the corporate website, I can do that. So in this case, I will flip to template 3. Down here, I'll click on Select. Once I do that, it automatically changes the website and we're done. So it's just that easy to actually make changes between templates in the system. Now, this big slider image in the middle, we call that our banner image. In the upper right-hand corner where it says Settings, we click on that and we say Manage Banner Photos. So right now we don't have any custom photos within the system. Right now it's just the same 4 photos for every agent web template and for every agent in the system. So if you want to load your own photos, you would click New. Here we suggest that these photos be 1600 by 800, so in other words, twice as wide as they are tall. You would click Choose File. Once you do that, you can choose from anything on your computer. You would upload it and click Save. At that point, you'd want to give it about 5 to maybe 15 seconds to upload the photo and set it in the gallery. The photos that you see right now as part of the template will be turned off, and then your new image will be turned on. If you want to add more than one image, then just click the same thing and hit New, and you'll see your existing image in there, and you could add it and order it using the order button right down here. You can add as many images as you want, but the moment you add one image, the original slider gallery that came with this template is turned off. The way to turn that back on if you don't like the images that you uploaded would just be to go in, click on Manage Banner Photos. You'll see a list of all of your images here. Just click the big X to delete those, and then this will come back to a blank screen, and once that happens, the background will turn back to the original photos. So the system's smart enough to never leave it completely blank. Just delete your photos that were uploaded, and these photos will come back in. Okay, a couple more things. Down here, we've got Manage My Featured and My Sold Listings. I'll show you how to do that real quick. I just clicked on Manage My Sold Listings. These are the sold listings that I already have in the system. If I want to get rid of some of those or all of them, I just click on the X and they disappear. If I want to add more, we are only given from your MLS, we are only given listing side agent names attached to listings. So if you were a buyer's agent and you have the actual MLS ID that's attached to your listing that you helped your buyer get, then at that point you would want to just type in that MLS here, click on search. This little image will show up. It'll have a green check mark. You click that and then it adds it to your sold gallery. Okay? So if you want to get rid of these, click the red X. If you want to add new ones, then you type in the MLS ID and then click search. If you type in the MLS ID and the listing is from a non-disclosure county, that means that the MLS does not give us that listing as a sold listing. So in that case, you'll go to the training video that says manage your sold listings through the APT, the My Alliance system. And we have another way for you to do that to make sure that you get listings on here. So that will be another small training video where you would upload a picture and some basic information about the specific listing, and then that would come into this gallery. Okay, so look for that in the training videos. So I'm back at my home page. I've managed my featured and sold. Those both work the same way. I've taken a look at my website settings. On the right-hand side, I have managed my banner photos. And then if you want to deal with any page attributes, you can. Currently, the page attributes are the SEO specific pieces for your actual home page. So you would say something like Ken Elmer, Realtor, BHHS, Alliance. Description, Ken Elmer is a great real estate agent choice for all around St. Louis. So the description is the actual description on a Google page that's going to show up and convince someone to click on your link. This page attribute title, the title right here is going to be what shows up at the top right here. So we've basically got your name and the name of the company already in there. So what we would do is just add this and overwrite that if that's what you want that to be. Social media title and description can basically be the same thing. We'll cover this more in a search engine optimized crash course as well. Okay, so that's all I really want to cover. This shows you how to get around on your website. This is from your profile section that we've done in the profile. These are my featured listings. I can flip through my featured listings here. I can flip through my sold listings here. As I scroll down, it's got all my contact information. As I scroll back up, I can change my template, my picture, and then of course I can search for homes based on this search interface. So the other video that we've got for training for websites will teach you how to create a page and how to put that page in one of these sub drop downs or add a new tab up to the top. So if you're looking for that, make sure you take a look at the other training video, website page creation. All right, thanks.